So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone 13's screen just isn't working. Now the iPhone 13 is a little bit of an older phone, so it makes sense why sometimes the screen may not be fully functioning all the time. The first thing we'd recommend doing is to go through and just make sure that your screen actually isn't the problem. So see if your touchscreen is still working. If the screen is like completely unresponsive, what you're going to probably have to do is to force restart it. So basically what it looks like is to press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and then hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So it'll look like this: up, down, then hold that side button until you end up seeing an Apple logo. Well, once you see that Apple logo, then you're basically going to be good to go, and then you can kind of see if the phone is actually working. If the phone is working, then you're probably going to be fine. But if it's still not working, so let go of the Apple logo or side button now. If it's still not working, then you're probably going to have to contact Apple or a company like that and have them basically take a look at the problem and have them see if it's actually a digitizer problem or anything like that, because that could probably end up being what ends up happening here. So hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.